How to cancel Google domain subscription. So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this quick tutorial, I'll be showing you how you can easily cancel out your Google domain subscriptions. So if you already have managed your subscription or taken your subscriptions from your Google domain, first thing just what you want to do is just search in for Google domains on your any of your favorite browser just like this. And once you search in for that, as you know that Google domain has been moved on to Squarespace because it is acquired by them. So you can basically click on this second link over here and it should take you to this link. As you can see, I'm already logged into my account, and to remove the subscription you can simply tap on this manage domains. So for my case, I haven't bought any domain, so I'll simply show you for an example. So as you can see, here is my example of domain. And so let's say this is your domain, and you can see that there is a manage button. You can simply tap on that particular domain name and just click on manage button to cancel out your subscription. And once you tap on it, you should be redirected to this page where you will be easily able to see how long is your subscription is available for. As you can see here in this example, it is expiring on 25 February 2024. So based on that, you can just click on this change renewal settings from over here. And once you click on it, you will be heading over to this page. Once you scroll down and simply disable this option over here, that is auto renew off. So when this is off, it will no longer ask you to for the automatic renewal, or your subscription will be cancelled just like that for a daily or auto renewal option. So when this domain comes to its expiry date, it will no longer automatically update. That means you have successfully cancelled your domain registration subscription as well. So that is it for today guys. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See you on the next one.